my tire's getting a little thin on my daily driver Suzuki, so we got to change it out. Let's get going. Here it is, guys. This is my daily driver. This is a Suzuki 600 GSS X 600F Katana. This tire is down to the wear bars and it won't take an inspection sticker. And here in Maine, we have to do yearly safety inspections, and that tire will not take a sticker. So we've got to get that changed out. If you haven't seen this video, guys, check it out. I bought this bike. I paid, I think, $700 for it and completely went through the entire bike. This bike had been wrecked before. This is my daily driver, like I said. It is super reliable. I would hop on this and take it cross country any day of the week.